Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create private threads on your account on Discord on role settings, easy and quick. First click here and now click settings, now click roles, now click here, click permissions. Here as you see you will find here create private threads. Click on it and click save, and that's it, it will be saved. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.